he whakapakari tinana, mō ngā kaumātua ki te marae o Tuahiwi.
I love seeing all the whānau interactions and the kaumātua laughing and smiling and moving and being excited to be together.
Ko Taurite Tū, tētahi kaupapa whakapakari tinana mō ngā kaumātua, he whakamahi I ngā taputapu o Te Ao Māori. Koinei te wiki tuarua, kua tū te kaupapa ki te marae o Tuahiwi. Ko te kaiwhakako no te ao o te poi tūkohu a McDaniel. Ko tāna he kaupapa whakahirahira tēnei ki aia.
For me personally, it's a really great way to connect or reconnect with Te Ao Māori for me. So having lived overseas so long and being separated from that, being on my marae, using rākau, using poi, even the use of reo within the program, for me is great because it's forcing me in a great way to use things that when I grew up were really important to me.
For me, seeing Laurie, she has always been a pā kid, as we call them. Her tau and pāwa were here at the marae all the time, and so to see Laurie come back and give back to the pā, it's really good to see.
Ko tā te kai hautū o Taurite Tū a Katrina Portiki-Bryant, kei ngā marae rua te kaumāwhitu tēnei kaupapa e whakahaere ana. Ko McDaniel tētahi tauira pai o te kai whakako I hihia nei I rātou.
It's for our Māori community, so the type of person we need is people with aroha for our kaumātua. People that are connected in with the community and have that deep aroha. That is what is the key success for Taurite Tū, is that we've managed to connect in with people all around the country, like Laurie. Laurie brings in the sporting background, which is fantastic. So she gets the kaupapa straight away.
E aro nui ana a Taurite Tū ki ngā whakapū io Māori. Ko tā tētahi o ngā kaumātua a Tiraroa Ruben, he tangata kaha whakapakari, engari he tuatahitanga tēnei mahi ki aia.
I found it was something different, yeah. First time I've ever had to go at it like this, but no, it's good. It's completely different than being in a gym. No, I found it very good.
For us at the moment, it's just if we can get through this term and have really good attendance and then keep it going for the rest of the year. If our kaumātua value it and it is working for them, we want to keep delivering it, so it's a way for them to be connected and again feel strong and balanced.
Ko te tūmanako ia, ka tipu ka rea te kaupapa nei kia honohono haere e tahi atu kaumātua. Halle Taite-Pitama, Tahu News.